Today I'm going to show you how we top a French silk pie here at Achatz Pie Company. So I'm here at the Armada Pie Shop, and I'm going to show you how we top a French silk pie today. I have my pie, my whipped cream, a scale, and I have our chocolate tempered just perfectly. I put the pie on the scale, and then I'm going to tear the scale back to 0. So now we're back to 0, and now I'm going to pipe on my whipped cream. Almost a full pound. It's about 3/4 of a pound of whipped cream. All right, so now I'm going to be piping on in like a little snail pattern or a shell pattern. It's very easy. The whipped cream is at the right temperature, so everything's working great. Now I'm up to 0.22. So this whole process should only take me a few seconds. I'm moving pretty slow to show you. Okay, all right, so now I've got a little hole here I want to cover up. Make sure that you enclose the entire top of your pie. You don't want to leave any of the pie filling exposed. You want to make sure that everything is covered with whipped cream. And it looks pretty good. So now we're going to drizzle the melted chocolate over top of this pie. I'm going to go 8 times over the top of this pie one way, and I'm going to turn it on a 45-degree angle, and I'm going to drizzle over the other way to make it look like a diamond pattern. So I've got my chocolate tempered properly, and it's coating the spoon really nice. And I'm holding the spoon up and down so that the chocolate's going to come off at the very tip of that spoon. And here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Turn it and go the other way. All right, perfect. I'm gonna set it on my scale. Yep. 0.08. I'm going to wipe my hands on this kitchen towel, and I'm going to box this pie. I want to make sure that the box stays clean, that my work surface is clean, my hands are clean. All right, French silk pie for you. So what else would you like to see us demonstrate here at the Pie Shop? Let me know in the comments below. Please consider subscribing to our channel, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you next Wednesday.